welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do the last part of question 4. Right, in the diagram, the circle centered N passes through A and C. B, C, D, and E are joined to form a parallelogram so that BE is parallel to the x-axis. CD is a tangent to the circle at C, and CD is equal to 6 units. The circle centered at N is reflected about the line y is equal to x. M is the center of the new circle which is formed. The two circles intersect at A and F. Calculate the midpoint of AF, right? We discussed this information in question 4.3.1, but let's just discuss it again. So we said we have the line y is equal to x, and then this point is reflected about this line y is equal to x. So it means we have a point M here, which is the x becomes y becomes x, so it becomes 3, -1 here for M. Okay, these are the coordinates of M. And then we're told that the two circles intersect at A and F. The two circles intersect at A and F, so it means they will intersect where? At this point and this point. Okay, so it should be like this. It should be something like that, okay, where the circles intersect here at A. We already have A here, and F. F is the second point there. Okay, and then it says calculate the midpoint of AF. Calculate the midpoint of AF. So it means, how do we find the midpoint? The midpoint will be here where MN intersects AF. Okay, so we can say MN bisects AF. So if we find this point of intersection here, we have found the midpoint of AF. So how can we find this point of intersection? We need to find the equation of MN, and then we have the equation of what? This one, y is equal to x. So let's just find the equation of MN, and then we solve these two equations simultaneously. Then we'll have the coordinates of this point. Okay, let's just do that. Let's start by finding the gradient of MN. The gradient of MN, then MN is equal to, we say, 3 minus -1. 3 minus -1. 3 minus -1 divided by -1 minus 3. -1 minus 3, which is equal to 3 minus -1, this is 4. Then -1 minus 3 is -4. So it means it's -1. So the gradient is -1 there. We can say y is equal to mx plus c. Let's just use this one only. And then we can substitute any point there. Let's substitute m. Okay, y is -1, x is 3. -1 is equal to -1 and -1x, which is -x. Then our x is what? Is 3. Put 3 there in the bracket, and then plus c. So -1 is equal to -3 plus c. So c is equal to 2. C is equal to 2. Therefore, the equation of the line MN is y is equal to -x plus 2. Okay. And then we have this one, y is equal to x. And then we have this one, y is equal to -x plus 2. Then they meet at this point here. And then this is the midpoint of AF. So let's find the point of intersection here by equating these two functions or solving them simultaneously. So we have y is equal to -x plus 2, equation 1. then y is equal to x, equation 2. Then let's just put, where there's y, we put what? We put x. So x is equal to negative x plus 2. Then bring this one this side, becomes 2x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. Okay, and then using equation 2, y is equal to x, so it means also therefore y is equal to 1. So this point, the coordinates of the midpoint, therefore the coordinates of the midpoint is equal to 1, 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1 like that. Okay, so that's what you're supposed to do there. Thank you.